Our first stop. Wow, that was fast. Tigman natin.
Pepper pig.
Masarap daw sabi nila.
Yummy. Yun nga lang, hindi ko maubos.
Kasi marami.
Super dami. Parang good for 5. Kere!
Let's go, guys. Oh, wow. The pork. The lettuce. Yung food reviewer, guys. Sinishare ko lang yung thoughts ko sa food trip na to. Masarap.
Yes. For Vietnamese, authentic Vietnamese food.
Yes. Bet me in. Sabi din niya approve. So last one, this com 1990.
The first thing is no MSG.
No MSG.
In food.
Okay.
It's really plain food. The second thing is no plastic. You can see in the tab.
Yeah, right.
Don't use the plastic, even the straw.
Uwi tayong healthy sa Pilipinas dahil araw-araw meron tayong gulay intake.
Banana ice cream. The owner recommended this.
durian.
Hello guys! Xin Chào! Kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave, the Puripot Traveler. And nandito tayo ngayon sa Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. This is our second time in Vietnam and our first time in Ho Chi Minh, the financial capital of Vietnam. It's a 10-day Indochina trip. Alright, 10-day Indochina trip. Punta tayong Cambodia and Thailand. Ito yung entry point natin, Vietnam. So ngayon, i-compile natin guys yung mga restaurants na kakainan natin. Where to eat. Kasi sinesearch ko talaga kung saan kami dapat kumain. And then, ayun, baka may makita kayong paulit-ulit na clips. Compilation lang naman to. Alright, ng kakainan natin. Kung kayo guys ay mag-abroad or mag-travel in the Philippines, you can book your activities and hotel via Klook and use my promo code DINOKLOOK para maka-discount ka. Okay? Tara? Okay. Bakit hindi siya ng okay? Ganda. Ganda ng Ho Chi Minh guys. Maliwalas.
Of course, it's our first day in Vietnam. Ang kakainin natin ay pho. Pho na isa sa mga nasa Michelin Guide. Michelin selected. Alright, our first stop. Pho Vietnam. Thank you. Yan yung ano nila. Yan yung kitchen. Very exposed. Look at their menu. Pho Vietnam. So around 180 to 200 to yung 80 VND. Then ako itong beef shank pho. Pho. May dagat mas barato, may mas mura yung 60. Pero let's go. Ganda ng view. Ang babait ng mga staff dito, guys. I mean, isa lang naman siya, pero ang bait. I felt the goodness. So ito guys, yung menu. 35. So they have complimentary gulay-gulay.
Madarky.
And
Battery?
ano tawag ini?
Madarky at battery.
Tauge. Correct. Tapos tingnan nyo naman yung kanilang chopstick. Oh, wow, it's fast.
You are number 1.
So you eat that raw?
Number 5.
Oh, number 5.
You just
Okay. So ilalagay mo lang sa ano habang mainit sa pho.
mga 1 minute waiting.
Guys, ang bilis. Nandito na siya. Faye. I love. So we just mixed that sa hot na pho, no? The number 6, it's mine. Thank you. Wow. Oh my goodness. I love it. Oh wow, it's kind of boiling. Sorry. I love it. Wow, that was fast. That was fast yung serving nila. Oh my gosh. Ang kaladkad, sili boiling. Gusto ko nag-picture muna isa-isa bago kumain. For the authentic pho in a Michelin selected Beef Gourmand 2020-2024. O, diba? Michelin Beef Gourmand, ano to? Ito yung mga quality pero abot kayang pagkain. Mga meals or dish. Uy, parang sarap ng strawberry. May avocado. I-maximize natin guys yung condiments. Yes. Ako yung nakaon ako.
Igubos pa din.
Igubos pa? Gusto ko lang tikman. Yan, okay. Tigman natin.
Pepper
Ang
please.
pho. Masarap daw sabi nila. The authentic pho from Vietnam. Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. Delish. How's your authentic first, Vietnamese in Vietnam pho? How's it? Masarap? Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Kaya talaga healthy ang mga Vietnamese kasi tingnan nyo the amount of gulay. Sabi ko sa kanila i-try nyo. I think this is more local experience yung ilalagyan natin ng ng gulay-gulay. Yung gulay-gulay, yung leafy vegetables, nakakadagdag siya sa freshness. So your thoughts after some minutes of eating the pho?
Yummy. Yun nga lang, di ko maubos.
Kasi marami.
Super dami. Parang good for 5.
Good for 2. Yeah, di siya pricey. Around 200 lang yan, no? And actually, sa labas, makakahanap pa talaga tayo ng mas mura. Yung mga nasa sidewalk. Pero of course, you have to experience this. Michelin Ineme. Boss, yung iba may sobra kasi marami. Sulit, no? Ay, yeah, I love the weather. Tapos guys, ang ganda ng view. Ang ganda ng view dito sa sa Pho Vietnam. May park. I love it. So definitely, kung magpupunta kayong Vietnam, i-goal nyo talaga kumain ng pho. Dito sa Ho Chi Minh, yung pinuntahan naming pho place, yun yung lumalabas sa searches na best pho in Ho Chi Minh. For tonight, kakain tayo dito sa Bep Mi In. So, isa sa mga Michelin recommended here in Ho Chi Minh for the Vietnamese authentic food. Let's go, guys! For dinner.
Alright. Oh my God,
Bep on your baby. So, this is their menu. Ayan, may mga din dito, seafood, may beef, may chicken, and then may vegetarian, may vegetarian option, beef, pork, but of course, I ordered, ano order ko? Buncha Mein. Buncha Mein, this is my order, yung must try. Hey. Oh, I thought there's a magic. Wow! Thank you so much for the magic. Buncha kayo, right? Good for 2.
Yes, pero feeling ko dapat yabas.
Ay, may
Sa bagay, we can finish it. Wow! Oh, wow! The pork, the lettuce. I love this. Nakakain na tayo ng buncha, guys, sa Hanoi, pero yun ay soup. Ito naman, dry siya. Tama bang term? It's not a soup, it's dry. It's not a soup, it's non-soup buncha. Buncha Mein. Yun din ang order nila. What's that? Wow! Who ordered spring roll?
If you wanna get
This is the aesthetic of the place. It's very Hanoian aesthetic. Wow! Buncha Mein. So this is one of the must try here dito sa Bep Mi In. Bep Mi In. Again, recommended by Michelin. Michelin Deep Gourmand. Let's eat. Ano ito niya? What is that? Pork? Pork chop?
Parang pork.
Wow. Sige, Chin. Try it. How is it? How is it? Yummy.
Like the Korean, Vietnamese version of
Samgyeopsal. Oh, the Vietnamese version of Samgyeopsal. Okay. But of course, that is very Vietnamese. That's just the reference. And this is the rice. Wow, it's a feast. Thank you. More food here in Bep Mi In.
So that's how you eat. You sausaw. Sorry, Chi, dakitan ka. Sarap ng sauce. At sagada naman tayo sa bulay. Ang sarap ng sauce, manamis-namis. I love it. Kaya ako food reviewer, guys. Sineshare ko lang yung thoughts ko sa food trip na to. Sarap. First time ko nakita ng ganitong Vietnamese parang adobo. Gusto ko to kasi si Jobs hindi maubos yung food. So tayo tira doon ng mga aspirat ng pagkain. Buti yung friends natin hindi masyadong malakas kumain. Natitira sa atin yung mga sobra nila. And guys, itong ano yun? Bep Mi In. Bep Mi In, no? Bep Mi In. Ano siya, medyo pricey lang compared sa nauna nating kinainan na Michelin din. Pho. So how's the experience in Bep Mi In? Yeah? Yeah, how was it? How was it?
It's good, but I only ordered the basics.
The basics.
Like the spring roll. And
At least you've experienced it here.
yes, but it's yummy.
Ikaw?
Mine was close to Filipino food.
Ah.
I had like
Ay, pagka nadoban, mukhang
Vietnamese
adobo.
adobo.
Vietnamese adobo. Masarap?
Yes, for Vietnamese, authentic Vietnamese food.
Yes. Bep Mi In. Sabi din niya approve.
Sabi din niya.
Approve. Okay. Sarap ng buncha Mi In. Okay. So last one, this Com 1990 na nirecommend sa atin ng ating tour guide. Kahapon. Solid daw to guys, no regrets. At lahat ng sinasabihan niya about this restaurant, tuwang-tuwa. Ang recommendation daw dito guys, buncha, this one, yung crispy pancake, and then spring rolls, and then
Coconut ice cream.
where is it? Sorry. This one. Ito daw yung mga best seller nila. I mean, best recommended.
All the people come here for that. Is a banana ice cream.
Banana ice
Homemade.
cream.
It's a homemade.
Oh no, I chose
They do have inside banana, coconut, jackfruit, the mung bean, avocado.
Why is it called Com 1990?
Gum is mean like the meal for the family.
A meal for the family.
1990 because I do have like a meaning for that. Not my the year I was born. That is a
Oh, you are the owner?
yeah.
Wow! Okay, he's the owner. Yeah.
1990 is because I feel I can imagine about the thing you can see the detail in Vietnam 1998. You can see this one in the town. We do have this one for information board or even the window.
So this is 1990 inspired.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is when I do have the upstairs. You have to see in the toilet.
Yeah,
That would be good.
I like it.
Check it for that one. And then I open this. I do have my main job. You can see that. But night time I come back here because I open this one for.
Thank you.
Try to. I do have 65 adopted kids. So I need
65
adopted kids.
adopted kids? You have 65 adopted kids?
So that's why I open this one.
Wow!
So,
Wait. Wow, 65 adopted kids.
the youngest one will be a week, and the oldest one is 4 years. This one I do have a three things I want to talking about. The first thing is no MSG.
No MSG.
in food.
Okay.
Gonna be really clean food. The second thing is no plastic. You can see in the town.
Yeah, right.
Don't use the plastic. Even the straw.
The
is
straw.
good.
Oh, yeah.
And the
Third
thing
one.
is normally the overseas people they come over to Vietnam to have to drink. Always problem with the stomach because of ice. But this ice is with really good QC from the factory with the paper and everything certificate.
Quality check.
But the triple price compared to the normal price ice outside. But I'm happy to pay for that because at least the people feel safe and clean.
Yes! Snakehead fish, guys. Snakehead fish noodles. Okay guys, so yung in-order natin, di pa tayo nag-iisda dito sa Vietnam. So yung in-order natin ay snakehead fish. And masarap daw to kapag lalagyan nitong mga panahog. Panahog? Itong mga, tawag dito mga gulay-gulay. Alam nyo, uwi tayong healthy sa Pilipinas dahil araw-araw meron tayong gulay intake. I love Vietnam! So, mapraproud yung nanay ko sa akin kasi everyday may gulay. This is for you, mom. Actually. Sige, let's eat! Daw? Sige. Let's try this. Noodles and fish. Oh my God! Masarap siya. Masarap. Tapos, marami. Sarap ng fish. Sarap ng noodles. Ang ganda ng texture. Saring. Hindi ako food vlogger guys ha. Pero wow. Sulit to. Wow. And it's aesthetic here. Face buncha. Mas masarap guys kapag may tawag ito? Lime ba ini? Oo. Mas malasa. Inuhos ko na lahat, pati yung lime. Ang sarap. Pork omelette.
Pork chop with pork omelette.
Then, ito, bestseller nila to. Look at this aesthetic, no? So, sabi ng owner, punta daw tayo sa may CR. And true enough, it's aesthetic AF. Nice. How do you call this? What do you call this?
Banana ice cream.
Banana ice cream. The owner
But
recommended
it's
this.
got durian. Hello,
The banana ice cream with durian.
Yeah.
Recommendation of the owner?
Best here.
Yeah, yummy. Yeah.
It's very unique. As what you said, it's very real. Like, the authentic durian. May fake durian pa. Authentic durian flavor. Nice? Wow! Kala ko mamod. So, saya na experience dito. Very local. And, wow, magtitip si Jobs. Bait ni Jobs. May siyang pera pang tip. But yeah, this is my favorite local dining experience dito sa Ho Chi Minh. Yung Com 1990. Thank you, Hailey, for recommending this one. May ano din sila, may wifi. Basta sabi ng owner, sana daw mas maraming Pilipino yung pumunta dito. So guys, punta nyo to ha, nasa District 1. So sa lahat ng kinainan natin na napanood nyo sa vlog, tatlo yun, ano yung pinaka feeling nyo gusto nyo kainan or ma-experience? Comment down below. Or kung may reko kayo, i-comment nyo rin down below. Alright? So this is Dave guys. This is our last night in Ho Chi Minh for this year. This is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler, and guys, let's live our best lives. Bye-bye!